Good evening everyone. Today I want to help you all by telling different steps wise to create how to create a Google site and edit and add your content and share to others. So first of all we have to go to the web browser. Your web browser you can open, and after that you can cite the Google site home page, that is your sites google.com new. You have to type here. So I am typing here, just enter it, then it will open the sites google.com new. To create a new Google site, you have to click on the blank, that is plus symbol, start a new site. You have to click on it. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, automatically it will open a new site where you can edit the untitled site to the name, what name you want to give. For example, this is a demo one, so I am typing here demo 001, and your page title, what page title you want to give. Suppose you are creating for a science or biology, like that, you have to type here. Once you type, you can edit the letters, you can make it bold, you can change the color. Okay. Then after, you can change the image by clicking on the change image and either upload image from your desktop or laptop, or you can select image already given here. After that, you can see here three buttons you will get. One is the insert button, you can see here. One is the insert button, and one more you will get the pages button, and one more you will get the themes one. You can see here three are there. Okay. So to create the pages and sub pages on this, first you have to click on the pages button. So home page is already there. Suppose you want to create sub pages under home page, so it will create home page. Below a drop down menu, your sub pages will be created. Or you can create 3-4 pages on the home only you will get, and under each one you can create sub pages. For example, suppose you want to create like home 3-4 pages. So I am clicking on the 3 dots, you can see here 3 dots, then duplicate page. Suppose I am creating one, for example 6th science. Okay, 6th science I created one. So one more I am creating, suppose duplicate page. Then suppose I am creating for 9th biology. Okay, sorry, 9th biology. Suppose I am creating one more. Suppose I am creating one more. Duplicate page. Suppose 12th biology. Okay. Once you created, you can see all these are available here. Now it is shown here. Home, 12th, 9th, 6th science, all are available. Suppose you want to create sub pages under this menu. Then suppose I am creating on 12th biology sub pages. Again you have to click on the 3 dots, then add sub page. You can see here add sub page. Then suppose I am creating some question papers or curriculum or whatever may be. So I am typing here CBSE curriculum, year suppose 2021, 22, something like that. Then suppose I want to create one more, add sub page. Suppose I am creating one more sub page here. Suppose I want to add some PowerPoints or question papers. So I am creating here biology question papers or worksheets, like that. One more you can create, suppose add sub page. Suppose you want to show all the PPTs or PowerPoints you want to share. Here one more I created. suppose you want to create YouTube links and videos, YouTube and video links, suppose you have created. So you can see here now this, when you go to keep your cursor in 12th biology, you can see the sub menus, means drop down menu will get all these things. So each one you can adjust its a style, font and others. So the colors also you can change. Suppose you change the color like that. So little bit font size you can reduce. 64 is there. I want to make 60. Okay. So like that you can change its color and other. So one I will show. Suppose YouTube and video links you created. Suppose you are going here. So once whatever color you want to give, you can give it, you can edit. Once you done, after that you have to add the files, you want to add the files or links directly onto this sub-page. So suppose this here I want to add all the links of YouTube and video links I want to add. So in that case, you have to go to the insert, you have to click on this insert. There are different layouts are there, you can see which layout it is useful for you, means you want to give. In that layout you can insert it, and you can see more options also there, like button, divider, placeholder, YouTube, calendar, and others are sheets, Google Forms, charts, Google Documents, map, everything you can put here. For example, I am inserting this one. So you can suppose I want to add link of human reproduction. So you can edit the text and the description also. Okay, and you want to add the link. So on the plus symbol you have to click on it. When you click on the plus symbol, you will get upload. You can upload directly from your desktop or laptop, or you can select an image, or already we have uploaded in our Google Drive. From there also you can add it, or YouTube link you can add, or calendar, map, or anything you can do. So for example, I want to upload a link of one of our KVPGT bio teachers. Okay, so this link I want to add, suppose human reproduction is there. So suppose I want to link this human reproduction. Then I want to open that and mail it to the system. Just the link you can copy, or when you click on the YouTube, you can search also what you want to. Suppose you want to search BYJU'S human reproduction. Just you click BYJU'S human reproduction. You can search it and you can get which one you want. You can select from here also. Suppose reproduction organism fees in class 7, human reproduction class 12th. Like this you can put anything, you can select from here. For example, reproduction BYJU'S So anything you can add, which one you suitable for you, you can select from here. You can select from here. Because I want to select the link which I copied, so I am searching here. So I got, so link I am adding, selected, so I can add here. So suppose here I want to add some question paper or something, also you can add. But as we are created only for YouTube links in separate category, so again you can go there, click on the YouTube. You can search. So for example, the NEET preparation you want to do by biological concept explained by spermatogenesis, just you click here, select here, it will come here. But one problem is there. You cannot share it until you don't publish your Google site. To publish your Google site, here the blue color button you can see, you can click on this publish button. Once you publish, then only you can share. You can see the gray color, can copy link for unpublished site. So you cannot send the link to your students to assign the work or to watch the material, or your to friends or colleagues or KVS RO you want to send. So you cannot send until it is not published. Can copy link for unpublished site. So you have to click on the publish first. So I am clicking on it. So I am typing here biology and science CBSE. Okay. So this is a great address, but it is already taken. So I will take biology, science, material, science. Okay, 2 buttons I did. So already taken. So just click on the publish. Once you click on the publish, it is published. Now you can add, share with others. You can click on this button, share with others. You can see here. So the primary requirement is Gmail ID. If those your colleagues or staff or to whom you want to share, you have to add their Gmail IDs. Once you add their Gmail ID, then only you can share with them. Suppose you want to assign the link in the WhatsApp or in the Google Classroom, you can see here copy published link. Copy published link here you can see. Okay, I will show with marking copy published link. You can see here. So in this copy published link, once you click, it will generate the link. Copy the link and you paste the link in any WhatsApp or in the Google Classroom you want to assign either classwork or material, you can paste there. At last, one more part I want to show you. So here themes you can see, the third part themes are there, here you can see. Once you click on the themes, so I will show the themes once again. Once you click on the themes, so this is the themes. So once you click on the themes, you can see different themes are there, simple, Aristotle, diplomat. So which theme you want, you can select. So again, when you select in the simple, the color you can change. You can see the color and font style also you can change. Already it is in heavy, you can convert into classic, or you can convert into light. You can this is the light one. So you can classic, see little bit change the classic. So heavy also you can change it. And this is the classic one, and this is the light. So how you want, you can change it. The same way, any other theme you want, you can select. And suppose Aristotle, this is the Aristotle one. In font style is there. Suppose you want to make a classic one or a bold type, anything you can change, or modern. Like that you can change the theme. And theme also, you can customize the theme. Suppose classics I kept, suppose heavy, so or light I can keep, or classic you can keep, anything. At last, hope it will be helpful you. At last, actually I want to thank those people who provided and taught, explained. I learned from them. First of all, I want to thankful to KVS RO Hyderabad. They provided G-Suite training by 3 PGTCS. Oh, it was having 3 modules: module 1, module 2, module 3. So this part of Google site belongs to module 3, and module 3 in the Google site was explained by our PGTCS Kiran Kumar sir from KVNAD. So I am thankful to him for teaching how to create the Google site, and you can put all the materials, so the children can get all the materials in one site. Any class or any staff also, they can access, they can download. And I am very thankful to KVS RO because they provided the training for upgrading in the Google Meet, and the Google Classroom. What are the upgradations? It is changed, new form to understand different how to control the Google Meet and different its features. So in that training, the module 3 he explained. I am thankful to KVS. Hope it will be useful to everyone. Please give your comments, valuable comments and suggestions to make more videos like this, which will be useful for everybody. Thank you all.